Number 1. 1974 Dodge D150 pickup short bed, $2,800, Concord, California. This 1974 Dodge D150 short bed is a rare four-wheel drive classic powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Stored in a barn since 1990 and last operated in 1980, it is clearly a full restoration project rather than a running driver. The truck benefits from a solid body, clean title, and California smog exemption, making it especially appealing to collectors and builders. Early 1970s Dodge short bed four-wheel drive trucks are increasingly difficult to find, giving this example strong restoration potential at an affordable price. Number 2. 1988 Jeep Comanche, $8,500, Littlerock, California. This 1988 Jeep Comanche is equipped with the highly regarded 4.00-liter inline 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, both known for durability and simplicity. Although the odometer is not functioning, the truck has received extensive recent mechanical servicing and cosmetic updates, including fresh paint, a bed liner, and interior improvements. With a clean California title and current registration, this rear-wheel drive Comanche represents a well-maintained and increasingly collectible Jeep pickup. Number 3. 1987 Chevrolet C20 3+3 Scottsdale, $7,500, San Carlos, California. This 1987 Chevrolet C20 3+3 Scottsdale is a heavy-duty crew cab pickup built for serious work. It features a low-mileage GM Crate 350 V8, a rebuilt automatic transmission, and upgraded towing equipment, including a fifth-wheel setup. Recent updates include new brakes, suspension improvements, and functioning air conditioning. Despite higher original mileage, it runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a highly usable square-body Chevrolet with significant mechanical investment. Number 4. 1973 Ford Ranger Camper Special Pickup, $12,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1973 Ford Ranger Camper Special is powered by the desirable 460 cubic inch V8, offering strong towing and performance capability. The engine was rebuilt earlier in its life, with recent maintenance including a rebuilt carburetor and new heater core. Equipped with an automatic transmission, air conditioning, and updated interior components, this truck combines comfort with classic appeal. Early 1970s Ford pickups are known for durability, and this example remains a solid driver with collector potential. Number 5. 1976 Chevrolet C30 Custom Deluxe, $12,000, Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1976 Chevrolet C30 Custom Deluxe is a heavy-duty work truck powered by a 454 cubic inch crate motor and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features recent mechanical updates, dual exhaust, a functioning heater, and air conditioning that only requires refrigerant. Multiple fuel tanks and underbed storage enhance its hauling and towing capability. Mid-1970s Chevrolet C30 trucks are known for strength and longevity, and this one is well suited for continued use or light restoration. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $15,000, Rialto, California. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 Stepside is a clean and well-presented square-body pickup powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. It includes power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. With original mileage, fresh paint, new oak bed wood, and recent servicing, the truck is in excellent overall condition. Late 1970s C10 Stepside models are highly desirable, and this example offers both originality and tasteful updates. Number 7. 1978 Jeep J10 Flatbed Project, $3,500, Agua Dulce, California. This 1978 Jeep J10 four-wheel drive pickup is offered as a restoration project. It is equipped with a 360 V8 engine, Dana 44 axles, and an automatic transmission. The body is solid with only surface rust, and the engine turns over but is not currently running. Jeep J Series trucks are becoming increasingly rare, and the flatbed configuration adds utility, making this a strong foundation for a classic four-wheel drive build. Number 8. 1987 Chevrolet Silverado C10, $14,500, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1987 Chevrolet Silverado C10 is a well-preserved survivor with only 2 owners in all original condition. It is powered by a fuel-injected 5.7-liter V8 with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Features include power windows, power locks, cruise control, dual fuel tanks, and fully functioning air conditioning and heating. Original square-body Silverados are increasingly valuable, and this example stands out for its authenticity and condition. Number 9. 1989 Ford F350 Crew Cab Long Bed, $11,900, Portland, Oregon. This 1989 Ford F350 Super Duty Crew Cab Long Bed is a powerful and well-maintained heavy-duty pickup. Powered by a 7.5-liter 460 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive, it is designed for serious towing and work use. With only 2 owners, original mileage, no rust, and consistent garage storage, it remains a clean and largely unmodified survivor. Late 1980s Ford heavy-duty trucks are known for durability, and this example reflects that reputation. Number 10. 1996 Ford Ranger, $700, Lake Elsinore, California. This 1996 Ford Ranger is offered as a mechanic special due to a failed engine, though the body and frame remain solid. It is equipped with a manual transmission, bed liner, aftermarket wheels, and protective bars. Compact Ford Rangers from the 1990s are simple to repair and inexpensive to maintain, making this an excellent low-cost project or engine swap candidate. Number 11. 1986 Chevrolet K10 Short Wide, $15,000, Westminster, Colorado. This 1986 Chevrolet K10 Short Wide four-wheel drive pickup is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and a manual transmission. Owned by the same individual for nearly 24 years, it has received recent updates to suspension and steering components. While some rust is present and new tires are needed, it runs strong and remains largely original. Square-body K10 short-bed four-wheel drive trucks are highly collectible, making this a desirable driver-level classic. Number 12. 1982 Ford F150 short bed, $11,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1982 Ford F150 short bed four-wheel drive pickup is a second-owner truck that includes original factory documentation. Equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, it represents Ford's early 1980s transition-era design. With good overall condition and a clean title, it offers a strong balance of usability and collectability. Short bed four-wheel drive F150 models from this period continue to gain popularity among classic truck enthusiasts.